In this video, I'm going to take you through how to purchase a food and beverage item in Roller. In this example, I'm going to purchase one cheeseburger. This cheeseburger has modifications set up in the product, so I can modify this order. In this example, we have a to-go or dine-in modifier, and this is required, and you will not be able to proceed unless this is selected. Then we have some optional extras and optional modifications. For this example, I'm going to select a to-go burger with extra meat and no cheese. I'm going to add a note here that the order is for Shay, so I know who to call out for when the order is completed. From here, I'm going to go add to booking. Then I'm going to add a table number because I know Shay is sitting at table number 5. This is optional if you do have tables. Then click pay, and I'm going to complete this food and beverage purchase by paying in cash. If you have production docket printing set up, this order along with the modifiers and order name will push to a receipt printer and print out a production docket. If you have our Fresh KDS integration, this order will push to the Fresh KDS screen with all modifications and the order name and table number. If you run out of food and beverage items, let's just say we have no more meat left, so we can't serve burgers anymore, you can click this icon. It's going to ask for a manager pin. So I will enter in a manager pin. Then I can select all my burgers that are no longer available for sale and click update